Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Have you ever faced this issue? You shoot a great video, save it, and a few days later when you open it, you find out the video is corrupted. Ever wondered how to repair damaged videos without compromising quality? If so, stick around as I'm going to show you how to use iMyFone UltraRepair to fix corrupted videos of different formats. First things first, you need to download, install, and launch the software on your computer. Just 3 easy steps to repair your damaged videos. Step 1. Add corrupted videos on the main interface. Turn to the Repair tab, then click Add Files and start repairing to select one or multiple corrupted videos. Step 2. Start to repair. Click Repair button and UltraRepair will start to scan and fix the damaged videos. The fixing process takes a few seconds. Step 3. Repaired videos successfully. A window will pop up when the process is complete. Click OK to confirm. Then you can hit the preview button to check out your precious videos and recover the lost memories. Alright guys, that's how you repair damaged videos. Pretty simple, huh? Additionally, iMyFone UltraRepair can also fix any damaged photos, files, and audio. These are the things iMyFone UltraRepair can do for you. What are you waiting for? Go ahead, download, and give iMyFone UltraRepair a try. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.